Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Previous lesson we finalized our email helper method and we have finalized forgot password action. Today we're going to start our reset password. We have our reset link in our hands with the ID and token. If you remember previous schema, and now we are here, we sent the link to the reset password. Now we're going to create this action, and what we got here, we're going to bring in the ID and token, and we're going to add some logics here. We're going to check nullability, validation check, user check, and if everything correct, we're going to add our reset password. Alright, let's start our coding, but previously I'm gonna have a quick look with to my previous project to ensure is everything alright. And yeah, there is a something different model here. I'm gonna build step by step and I'm gonna show you why I'm doing this. So user validation, user check, reset password, and if there is an error, yeah, there is two error. Okay, like here, there is a two error we have on reset password. Okay, perfect. Let's continue. Let's save everything, close all tabs, minimize it, and let's go to the controller, authentication controller. Let's collapse all definitions. So we need to go through with HTTP get public. Should I use async? Let's go with the normal one. If we need it, we can switch it to the async asynchron one. Reset password, and we are waiting string a user ID and string is a token. Yeah, let's leave it like that for now. So return view. Before that, I'm gonna add a temporary, I'm gonna assign those to temporary data. Temp data user ID is user ID. Let's change this one, yeah. User ID, perfect. And Control D, token is token, perfect. And return view. Let's continue with the HTTP post. Oh, let me quick check. Yeah, it's working perfect. Public async task I action result. Copy from here to here. Yep. No. What was the? We need a reset password. We model and a request. Perfect. Let's get back to the entity layer and create our request. Sorry, reset password view model, identity view model, add class, reset password view model. So basically, what we're going to need here is password and confirm password. Make it public. Sign up. Yeah, we can copy these two to this section. Yep, perfect. Public class entity layer is done. Now let's make the auto mapper. Reset password mapper. Public control. Oops, sorry. Control RG profile. Mappers public and create map. Oops, sorry. Create map app user from app user to reset forget password login mapper. Yeah, correct. Yeah, reset password we model and reverse map, of course. Mapper is added. So where we should go? Where should we go? Plant validation. This is the next one. Identity. Yep. Add class reset password validation. Control RG public abstract validator reset password v model. Yeah, here we go. Let's create constructor and I'm gonna copy the rules from the sign up because all I need is password and confirm password. Control C, Control V. That's all. Perfect. The plant validation is done. Anything else do we need? Let's get back to controller now. All right. So we have our user ID and token. I'm just thinking, let me look my previous project. Yeah, we going to bring those user ID and token from get to the post. So that's why we're using temporary data. Okay, now we're going to use var user ID temp data user ID and token. Now we're going to check if there is a nullability. If user ID null or token null, must be a problem here. So we need to, let's have a look at our schema. If there is a null, we're going to send it sign in. I'm not gonna add validation, I mean model state error. I'm gonna use the toaster message and I'm gonna add it a while later, probably after I finish our identity project. And now I'm gonna send it just empty, return redirect to action. It means if these two is null, just go back to sign in and try to resettling again. If they are null, if there is, it means there is a problem. Maybe the token has been expired. or you refresh the page or something happened, but somehow if you don't have user ID or token, you're supposed to go to the redirected action. I mean, you're supposed to go to sign in page and follow the instruction again to get a new reset password link. Okay, log in. Authentication. Let's have a double check. Yeah, this is a toaster message. This message, yeah, as you can see, I sent this message with the toaster. As I told you before, I'm gonna show you later. Perfect. If we have our tokens, the next one will be validation check. Let's add our validation var validation await. We need to add our validator reset password b model reset password validator dot validate async and request. Perfect. If validation dot is not valid, what's gonna happen now? Let's have a look at our schema. We have an error and go back to reset password. Okay, how are we gonna do that now? Validation dot errors. No, just a second. Add to model state. Are we gonna use those? Add to model state. But I don't want to add this to model state because I'm gonna send it these. Yeah, let me have a quick look. Yeah, I'm creating a new list here. That's why I'm sending list. Yeah, have a look, guys. Because when I post, I need to send those validations to the uh, to this section, right? Okay, list string errors. Yeah, list errors, model validation errors. Yeah, I'm gonna add the model station. Yeah, perfect. Very nice. Yeah, perfect. Validation dot errors dots. We're going to select error message dot to list. Yeah, we need to make it to select to list. To list. Yeah. Now we need to send back return a direct action. Oops, sorry guys. Yes. Now we have just validation error. So we add our we try to add our new password, but we have validation error. So we need to keep our ID and token. And while we're keeping those two, we need to send our error messages as well. So I'm gonna send those all of them to the HTTP GET method because we're going to return to this section. But what if I just use return view and yeah, this might be, where is this problem? Yeah, this section might be not very good. Let me try a different thing right now. Just right here a return view, but I can't send. Yeah, I need to send my token and ID again to get. Okay, I changed my mind. Stick to the plan. We going back to reset password again. The control is authentication, and we need to send user ID. Oops, sorry. User ID, comma. Um, Token. Actually, we don't need to list all of them. Just user ID, comma, token, comma, and errors. So that's why we need to add here another list string errors. So if there is error here, we're going to send this errors here. So it might be null. Okay. Now before return to view, we're going to check is there any error here. If errors any, and it might be null, by the way. Possible null inference. Errors any. Let's delete it. Alright. Now leave it like that. If it's not null, it's going to be 0. So it's not, it's going to be just 0. Yeah. Alright, perfect. If we have errors any, so we're going to add those errors to our model state, right? So just add a view back result, error, and we need to send, yeah, we need to send those errors to our model state dot add model list and errors. Perfect. Let's have a look now. Is that we doing correct or not? Perfect. Alright guys, get back to our post method. If validation is succeed, now what we're gonna do now, we're going to do a user check. Var has user await sign in manager find, sorry, user manager find by ID, because we have a user ID here. Oops, sorry guys, user ID. Let's make it to string, and it cannot be null because we eliminate being null, and we have app user here. All right, if has user is null, So what we're gonna do, we're going to return redirect action login page because user is it the same meaning here. It has same meaning with this section. So I'm gonna send the error message with a toaster one for a while later. Let's leave it like that for now. Okay. If the user is found, if everything is perfect, what we're gonna do, let's look at our schema. We're going to make a reset password and there is a two option. Sign in because we have a, yeah, we accomplished our project. Let's gonna change these two is error, but this is success. Let's change the color and thickness. Okay, this is success. And if it's failed, go to error and reset password. Okay, if if no, before that one, um, was reset password result. Hold on, guys. Let me drink a water. Thank you. Wait. So we need a user manager. Reset password async. I'm just trying to remember what is asking us. Yeah, user token and new password. Has user, comma, token, comma, oops, sorry, comma, and new password is request dot password. Perfect. If reset password is succeed, redirect action here. And if it's not, I'm going to use else because I'm going to use the list again. I'm going to copy here exactly. So the list string error validation is not going to, sorry, validation, reset, reset password result, error select error message to list. It seems working. Let's have a look. Yep. Error, errors, select description. Yeah, this is description. Let's have a look. There is a problem here. Result. Uh, reset password result. Why is not coming? Is there any problem? Token. Object to string. To string. As user is not null. This token is not null. So maybe we can change those. User ID is coming object. Yeah. Let's have a look what we have done. Yeah, we did the same thing here as well. Okay, now we have a identity result. Okay, errors. Dot select. Let's create our link queue. Description to list. Okay, perfect. Anything else should we do? Let's look how many minutes has been done. It's 24. Let's create our reset password page as well. And let's try our codes. Now add view, browser view, add, everything is empty, add again. We have one warning here. Let's have a quick look after creating our page. Perfect. Let's delete it. Let's have a quick look. Where is this warning? Hmm. Reset password validated. Let's add this parameter. Alright. Now, okay. Perfect. Let's get back to the CSHTML, and we're going to copy from sign up. Yeah, we can copy from sign up again. Control A, C, reset password, Control V, delete these two, add model, reset password v model, and let's change the names and text, reset password. If the person did to create an account, enter new password for your account. This is the error message location. So all we need is password and confirm password. Yeah. Is there anything do we need? Authentication, sign up. Yeah, this is going to be reset password. Any hidden something do we need? I don't think so. What is this? Already have account. Create account. No. Update password. Actually renew. Renew password, and I don't need this section. Where is the submit? Did I delete it? Oh my god. I guess I deleted it. Get back to the submit. Sign up. No, this is submit. Yo, this is my bad. Yeah, this is submit. Sorry guys. Just delete it. Alright. Okay. Alert close. Yeah, have a quick look. Our CSHTML page now. Perfect. Password, confirm password, we need password. Alright. But we don't anything. If we click it, probably we're going to redirect to sign in section. Authentication, login. Yeah, we write it wrong, I guess. Where is the authentication controller? Login, 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 login. Let's have a look. Log in, log in. Yeah. Authentication. 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 Perfect. Now user ID and token currently is null, so we will be directed to sign in login section. Yes, perfect. All right. I'm gonna add here the forgot password section, but I'm gonna refactor it when I finished everything about login and reset password. Let's close it now. Okay. Let's start with the forgot password again. We're in browser, and let's try our project now. So our email address is testvideolesson@gmail.com, and let's open our email address first. Before that, let's try this uh, link, but this is uh, probably this is created before lifetime configuration, but I'm not gonna use it anyway. Let's delete it now. It's just gonna make a confusion for us. So we don't have any email right now. It is empty. Let's send our reset link. We are waiting. Yeah, let's have a look our email address. Yeah, here we go. Let's click the link now. Redirect notice. If you don't want to visit the page, you can return to the previous page. This button will return to send the invalid URL. Let's have a quick look why we have an invalid URL. Authentication, reset password. Let's have a look now. Reset password, authentication. Let's have a look our reset link. Forgot password. Where is our reset link? Password, reset link, action, reset password, reset password. Yeah, name is authentication. User ID, token, HTTP contest request. Is that correct? Let me have a quick look. This is the reset link. Has user URL, HTTP context. Yeah. Let's see our implementation. Reset authentication, user ID, token. This is coming after scope. Maybe this it makes the error message for us. Yeah, Control X. We made a mistake, I guess. Comma and schema. I mean protocoler. Yeah, this is the protocol. This is the protocol. Yes. Let's try now. We have a. We need to send again because the reset link is wrong. Let's close this section. Delete our email. Gmail now. Delete it. Perfect. Let's try again. Within browser. Test video lesson. Send reset link. Yeah. Here we go. Let's click the link. Here we go, guys. And we have our user ID. And where is the token? This is the token. Now, first of all, I would like to try our all logics. I'm gonna start with start our application with debug, and I'm going to add breakpoints, and I'm going to show every detail. Reset password. Let's check here, 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 and this section also here. Perfect. Now, the first one is validation, because by the way, we tried the null ID and token. I'm gonna skip it. Let's clear that one. I'm going to validation. I'm just writing something not fit our password rules. Click the renew password. Yeah. The request. I write because we need to add digits and unique character, but I didn't add anything because I want this model state is going to be failed. Let's have a look. No, it's why it succeed. Let me have a look. Error. It's valid. Uh, Sorry guys. Model. This is my bad. Model state is valid because the only thing in model state is comparing. Is it matching or not? This is going to fail here, right? This is going to fail reset password result. Let's continue. Yeah, we have user, and it is going to fail right now. No, what happened right now? Must be a problem here. Let's try again. Let's click the link. Link must be still working. Let's click here. Password bir first. Password first. Yeah, we need password. Yeah, we sent password one, and it's we're going to have a validation problem right now. Yep, return to reset password authentication. Yep. Now have a look. Continue. Yeah, password and confirm password must be same. This is our error, and we still have our user ID and token. It's working. Now change password and password. What we send now, the request is password and password. Okay. Validation succeed. Can user cannot be found. There is a user problem. I guess we sending wrong user ID or something. Let's have a try again. I'm gonna check now. Password, password, renew password. Continue. Yep, has user is test. Oh, has user. If it has no is not. We need to do this. Has user should be null if we would like to redirect the login. Yeah, let's stop it now. Now it's okay. Let's continue. I was thinking we did everything right. Why we getting problem here? Sometimes it might be happening, guys. Sorry about that. Let's click the link again. Let's try password 5, password 5, which is not correct form. Renew password and have a look. So we sent password 5, password 5. So validation is correct, and we have a user. Yep, test. User is not null. Yep. Now we're going to change our password, and it's going to be failed because password too short, password require non-alphanumeric character. And let's continue. So we passed this logic because it's not succeed, and we're going to add our errors, and we will be redirected to reset password with our user ID, token, and errors. Let's continue. Here we go. This is our error. So we still keep our user ID and token, so we can try again and again and again until we find a password which is fit our rules. in the lifespan time in our token. Perfect. Okay, it's working. Let's change now. Password 1 to star star. Password 1 to star star. We need password. Hopefully I did right, correct. Yep, it seems correct. And yep, it's changed now. Let's try to log in. Test dot. What was the address? Uh, I always forget. Test video lesson Gmail. Alright, let's try to log in. Password is password 1 2 star star. Login. Here we go. We're logged in, guys. Perfect. It's working. Now we are able to reset our password. Save. Minimize. Do we need anything else? Sign up, sign in, forget password, reset password. Alright, let's finish this lesson here and I'm gonna think about it what's the next lesson is going to be and we will see you again on our next lesson, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. I will be here and stay safe.